took that big rock. Did you see that?
Mm-hmm. Really went down.
I like it. Oh yeah, I like that.
Looks like there's gold in it.
There's got to be at least two of those flakes. I still got the front to do too. And it just comes apart like the
Yep.
Nice.
This one to me.
I can't see. I ain't got my glasses on. My boot is dry. It slides out or what?
Yeah, it slides out just like normal. Oh, look at that. Oh man, it's a big old nugget. No.
Comes out of there real easy too, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Clean as a whistle. And look at the material. Not bad.
A lot of black sand. That's what you want to see. Now let's see if you got any gold. That's the real question, Joe. Did you get any gold?
All right. That's what I want to see.
Yeah, me too, because we're real close to Nugget Creek. I say we bring the metal detectors up and then just hit that hill one time. Just walk around that hill with the metal detector. Actually, it took a lot of that black sand away, didn't it? Because you know how much black sand I had in my pan.
The bigger pan is really fat, man.
Yeah, but I mean, we'll look at the video later. The first one that I panned down. I mean, there's so much black sand, it's pitiful.
There we go. Let's see what you got.
East Coast 2 pieces.
I already see a piece over there. There's another piece.
Oh yeah, right here.
Yeah, is that lead?
It looks like it, right?
Yeah. There you go. There's some more.
Little pieces. Uh-oh, 2 pieces.
There you go. Boom, 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 boom.
Mm-hmm.
Whole bunch of
That's like 3 pieces right there.
little flour in there.
Uh-oh.
There you go.
Nugget.
3 pieces up there. Another
There you
piece
go.
right there.
That's bad. That's not bad for not even a bucket.
Yeah,
That's
not
like not
bad
even
for
a
not
quarter
even
of a bucket.
right? I'm just glad all that fucking black sand's gone. All right, turn your face in. Check that shit. Lock it out.